Hi everyone, welcome to MoMoProxy. Today we will learn how to set up proxy for AdsPower for multi-account experience. After register an account and download the client on the device, we open AdsPower. Here, now let's name the profile as set up MoMoProxy in AdsPower and leave others automatic system settings, such as browser fingerprinting, cookies, and date for each profile. Automatically keep every account isolated. Now let's go to the MoMoProxy dashboard. After registration and logging account as shown, we can buy proxy from here such as a static redirection proxy and a rotating redirection proxy. This one. For static redirection proxies, we just copy the IP address, port, username, and password. For rotating redirection proxy, we need to generate proxy and a country such as the United States. Choose stick or rotating as the session type. Output format. It contains host name, port, username, and password, or others. Then click Generate and a proxy number such as 10 proxies. Then copy. Go back to AdsPower profile. Slow down the proxy part. Select HTTP, HTTPS, or SOCKS file as the proxy type. Paste the proxy information here. Client will automatically match all information. Click Check Proxy to test the connection successful or failed, and the detailed IP location from which city. Now click OK to save the profile. Click Open to start the profile and wait to enter into profile page. Pinterest, TikTok, and more. That's all. Thanks for your watching and subscribe.